Yo, what's going on, you guys? It is CJ Brand here today, and we are back with a brand new video for you guys once again. Now today we're going to be taking a look at these 4 to 5 items that can really help you start your YouTube channel today. And I went ahead and customized this around so it will be under 1,500 bucks. I tried to do 1,000, but I mean, yeah, we can get there, but this right here is going to be under 1,500 bucks. So it'll just leave you a couple dollars around, just to go shop around for some extra batteries and an SD card, man. Let's go and get straight into this video right now. All right, you guys, so of course, when you're starting off your first YouTube channel, the first thing is, I need a camera, but I'm not for sure what type of camera I want to get. Well, this is my camera that I would recommend. This right here is going to be the Canon R50, which is going to be the new predecessor to the Canon M50. So as you may have noticed, the Canon M50, that has been like the flagship camera for all new content creators, new vloggers. They just get that camera and it does straight up phenomenal work. I personally had the M50 when I first started my YouTube channel, but I upgraded, of course. But I went to the iPhone, to the M50, to a Canon R, to a Sony, then to an R6, then to an R5, and yeah, we stuck with the R5, baby. But like I said, this is a Canon R50, man. I don't think that you guys would, not want to get this at all. Like I said, once again, the R50 was taking over the game. So the M50 was taking over the game, and now the R50 is here doing the same exact thing. Some key features about this camera right here is this. For one, maybe you're thinking about, what? Guess what? I can go get a Sony for like $479. Let me tell you something. Sony has 4K crop. The Canon R50, I'm gonna get those mixed up all day. But the Canon R50 does not have a 4K crop at all. You're gonna get basically 4K. It is a CMOS sensor, so you're gonna get that crop, but you're not going to get an additional crop on top of the crop sensor itself. So that's one of the main reasons why I did pick this up, because like I said, I was going to shop around and get a Sony, but I'm like, well, 4K uncropped at 30 frames per second, that's not bad. And it also has capabilities of doing full high definition, which is pretty much 1080p at 60 frames per second at the highest. That's dope. Now let's go to move over to item number 2. Item number 2 for me personally, it varies depending on what you want to do with YouTube. If you're going to be like me, doing tech reviews and headshot views, I wouldn't recommend this lens, but I would recommend getting a Canon RF 50mm lens. Now that lens right there is also called the Nifty 50. It's cheap. It's like $169. So add that to the total cost of this video, you're good right there. But let's say, for instance, if you want to do vlogs, that's when I would go ahead and recommend getting this Canon RF 16mm. Now this right here is going to be a 2.8 for the aperture. It's pretty dope. It's only $299 as well. You can get the ultra wide shot angles. This is the lens that I use on my R5 when I do my vlogs and stuff like that. So I definitely would recommend doing, getting one of these, especially if you want to be, somebody that wants to go outside and you want to do the vlogs, the vlogs, or whatever you want to call it, but Now let's go to move over to some audio options. Now for audio, I currently will recommend 3 different products. So the first product that I'm going to be recommending is going to be this Rode Go shotgun microphone. Now this microphone right here would be perfect for someone that's, once again, if you're doing vlogs and you really don't want to have anything attached to your body, then you got this. It's an omnidimensional, I'm just gonna say this. You can talk like this. This is what the microphone looks like. I can never pronounce that name. But the microphone is right here. I don't know if y'all be able to see that right there, but the microphone is right there in the front. So you talk to the microphone just like this and you're gonna get clear audio. Now, is it the crispiest audio? I mean, I can't say yes and I can't say no. It depends on what you're doing once again. Now, this microphone right here runs for like 80 bucks. Sometimes you can catch it for like $69.99. So it's pretty cool. Watch out for the sales on Best Buy, Amazon, and stuff like that. Now, my second option is going to be this. It's a microphone I don't have right now, which is going to be the Rode Wireless Me. This is a new microphone that they just released. Now, this is what it looks like. This isn't that product, but it's going to be in the same exact square format, and it's pretty much supposed to be for like, it's an upgrade pretty much. So for content creators, you can now use that microphone with the iPhone as well, or any type of smartphone device that accepts USB-C, or if you get a USB-C and adapter to whatever, that's what that's going to be pretty much used for. Now my third option, I got 4. So third option would be this microphone right here. Now, this right here runs for 199 bucks. The Rode Wireless Me's is for 150. So, I mean, I would recommend it, but I mean, it depends. Like I said, it really depends. You know, we'd have to go down the whole list and figure out what's going on with them. But my last option for audio, it's going to cost you about $219 to $329, and that right there is going to be the DJI wireless microphone. This is a microphone that you guys are currently listening to me right now. This isn't the microphone, but it's in my pocket, and I got one more behind me right here. So this microphone right here, this is the option for $329. You get one receiver, two microphones for $329. So once again, it definitely depends. Or you can just pay $219 and get the receiver and one microphone. I mean, so far I've used it without a lavalier mic attached to it. I use it naked basically, and the audio is great. I use it outside for a couple projects and I can hear my clients talking very crispy. So yeah, that's what I would recommend. Now, the last option that I'm going to recommend for your YouTube starter kit of 2023 is going to be my lights. I can't show you guys my lights physically, but these right here are the newer these are the newer video panel lights. I paid $189 for these. Now I got these about 2 to 3 years ago. They still here. All the pixels in it, or all the panel lights, the panel bulbs, they're still great. I use these lights for video work. Even for my photography work, when I was first like a beginner shooting with a Canon R, I use these lights. So, I mean, for $189, you get two of them. You get a travel case for both of them as well. Plus you get like diffusers as well. So if you don't want this harsh light, which I should have diffusers on it, but I got the harsh light on me right now. But I got this bigger light in front of me that's not so harsh, but yeah. These lights, $189. The stands on them are very tall as well, and they're durable, they last long. They are also battery powered, but you also have the option of doing, I should say the first choice of power is going to be plugging in through an outlet, but you can also use it for battery power as well. So, I mean, hey, that's pretty dope. So with all that being said, these are products that you can go out and get right now to start your brand new YouTube career for under $1,500. Let me know what you guys think down below in the comment section. Let me know what you guys think that we should have added on, we should have taken off, you know, something like that. Let's go down the quick price list though. Canon R50, this is gonna cost you $679. 16mm lens is $299, but like I said, I highly recommend getting a 50mm at f1.8 for only $169. You can also catch it on sale sometimes for $150, or either just buy it used for $150. Audio setup, it definitely depends. In my quote that I did, I got the Rode Wireless Mi's for $150. Plus these two panel lights for $189. We're looking around $1,289, or something a little bit lower than that. So of course, you know, we got an additional maybe $214 to spend. Go ahead and pick yourself up an extra battery for the Canon R50. Go ahead and do that. Pick yourself up some SD cards and call it a day. Get to creating, man. We out. Peace.